Welcome to Lakshmi Academy. Today's topic is addition of polynomials. And addition of polynomials is fairly simple. The first step I'm going to show you into details, and the second step we'll try to do it faster. I'll show you the tips to increase the speed. Here we have two polynomials and we're doing addition. There is a plus sign here, so I don't need to worry about changing the sign or anything. So we are going to put like terms together. Like terms is the variable and the power of variable should be same. So here x square, 4x square and 3x square are like terms because we have the same variable x and the power is same. Then 5x and 3x, they are like terms. So we are going to put the like terms together, which is 4x square, and I'm just going to mark it over. So this practice is good because when you have multiple terms of polynomials, then it's easy to track it down and you don't miss on anything. So 4x square plus 3x square. And it's a good practice to start with the first polynomial and then move to the second and so on, because you may have examples with more than multiple polynomials adding together. So here I'm done with the first term. So again, I come to this first polynomial and go to the second term, 5x. So when you develop that pattern, it's difficult to make mistakes because you're going to follow the same pattern. So we are done with that. So we have constants minus 7 plus 2. So 4x square plus 3x square is 7x square. So you are adding only the coefficients. We are not doing anything with these variables or their power. We are just adding the coefficients. It's like 4x square plus 3x square. 4 apples plus 3 apples, which is 7 apples. 5x minus 3x, so plus 5, positive 5 and negative 3, which is positive 2x. So it's plus 5 oranges minus 3 oranges. So we are not doing anything with the coefficient, with the variable. We are just doing operations with the coefficient. Negative 7 plus 2 will be negative 5. So addition of polynomial is very easy. You just follow the pattern. And now the second one, 5x square plus 6x minus 7, 2x square minus 2x plus 3. And you can copy down you can pause the video and copy down and do it with me, because here we are going to just do the final step. We are not going to put the like terms together and all that. So here the like terms are 5x square and 2x square. So 5 and 2 is 7x square. So we are done with this. Plus 6x minus 2x will be positive 4x, the sign of the larger number. Then negative 7 and positive 3. When we are done with it, we'll just mark it. Negative 7 plus 3 will be negative 4. So if you have simpler numbers, you can also do it mentally. Now increasing the speed and doing it mentally is good, because for a competitive exam, if you have multiple choice, then you can opt the wrong choice very easily by just adding them mentally. Now here this is little bit complicated, but if you have to be very careful which are the like terms. 2a square b, and the like term here is 3a square b. So just marking it down helps you to know the like terms. So 2, positive 2 and negative 3 is negative 1. So you can just put the coefficient as negative 1, or you don't have to even put the coefficient since it's a negative 1. You can just write negative a square b. Then here 3ab square plus 6ab square, which is 9ab square. So we are done with this. Then negative 4, positive 2, which is negative 2. So follow these two tips to avoid the mistakes. Just mark down the terms which you are done with and follow the pattern. If you are dealing with more than one polynomial, or there are many polynomials which you need to add or subtract, just when you are done adding the like terms, come to the first one and start from there. So this way you're not going to miss on anything and you're not going to do any mistakes. Now let's move to the third one, fourth one. Negative 3x square, and the like term here is 2x square. So this is negative x square. So plus this we are done. So let's mark it before we move to the second one. Plus 2x plus 6x, which will be 8x. And then we have a constant here, but we don't have the constant into this. So it's just going to be negative 12. So this is all about addition of polynomials. I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe Lakshmi Academy on YouTube for more videos.